Away they go. Prince Carlos, Sunday Street from the outside. And moving up by the rallies, Angel Sky. It's now Sunday Street, just like it play. They play in the middle. Prince Carlo, Donori inside, Siklag, Angel Sky, and Typhoon Doding. Rounding the far turn, Sunday Street by Lincoln up. Fly Aday plays on the outside, just like it's running in third by about 3 lengths. As they race the final corner, Sunday Street from the outside, Fly Aday play down on the inside, and Siklag Prince Carlo. And ring the last 100 meters more to run. Fly Aday play Sunday Street, it's on the outside. Fly Aday play Sunday Street, it's on the outside, and Siklag. And finally, number 5, Fly Aday play Sunday Street. Siklag Prince Carlo, Angel Sky, close, Typhoon Doding.